This is one of my Air King PL20P box fans. This one has the 2-speed GE motor. It's not reversible like that Air King V20E that I made a video about a few days ago. But I use this fan a lot at night, and the motor has gotten pretty dusty, so I'm going to be cleaning it today. I'll turn it around so you can see the dusty motor. Yeah, it's pretty dusty now. Like I said, this thing gets used a lot, so I'm going to open it up. Or no, I'm not going to open the motor up. What I'm going to do is just take the grills off and vacuum some of the dust, and then use compressed air to blow the rest of it out. And put some oil in the oil ports, and that should be good. And here's a better look at the back of the motor. I just vacuumed it. It's looking a lot better now. Even inside, it's looks better. I'm still going to use compressed air though. This is the tool that I use to blow the dust out of the fan with compressed air. It's just an air sprayer tool that goes on to the air compressor hose. And if you're curious, that's the air compressor that I use. It's just a 6-gallon pancake compressor. I blew all the dust out of the motor, so it's totally clean now. And I put oil in the oil ports on both sides. But yeah, it's nice and clean in there now. It's spinning nice and free. I put plenty of oil in it the last time I serviced it, so it was still good, but I wanted to add some more anyway. And let's just start it up. I go to high. This thing runs beautifully.